Welcome back to my channel, Your Guide Travel and Nutrition, presenting you the recipe for a healthy mid-time snacking chickpea salad dressed with tahini sauce. Start by chopping a medium cucumber into fine cubes. Add chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, and half a medium carrot grated. Add a medium bowl of boiled chickpeas to the vegetable salad mix and then mix it all. Next, prepare the syrup by taking 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in a bowl. Add a spoon of olive oil, half a spoon of salt, half a spoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey, and blend the mixture. I'm not adding honey in the syrup as I'll be having the salad dressed with tahini sauce where I'll be adding honey. Add the syrup to the chickpea salad and mix it well with a spoon. The salad is now ready to be snacked to fill your mid-time hunger. To add some extra delight, I dressed the chickpea salad with some tahini sauce. I would of course present to you the recipe for tahini salad dressing sauce in one of my coming videos. So please stay tuned, keep watching, thank you.